Hello everyone. Now once again I am going to explain active voice and passive voice. Okay? And I have already discussed about it in your Google Meet class. Okay students? So what I was explaining, students, I spoke just write down it. Okay? So this way we will write down it. Okay? And for our help we will write down here as V1. Got it? Then in passive voice we will write down what? Be eaten here. Be eaten. Okay? And student, I was saying in place of be. Okay? We will understand it. Be means what? Be means is, am and are. Okay? Be means what? Here be means is, am and are. Getting it? And next I spoke about what? At means here is what? V2. Okay? And against this we will write down what? Was and were. Okay? And then again we will write down what? Eaten. Means in passive voice always verb third form will come. Okay? So this thing must be in our mind. Getting this or not? And third thing, I spoke about what? Eaten. Okay? Write down eaten. And eaten is what? Verb third form. Okay? Eaten is what? Verb third form. Verb third form means in passive it will be what? Been eaten. Okay? Means I will make you understand what is the motto for writing all these things. Okay? After some time you will just get it. You all will understand it. Okay students? And here is what? Eating. Okay? Eating means verb first form plus ing, means verb plus ing form. Getting this thing or not? And here will be what? Being eaten. So I hope that by here means up to this place you all have understood these things. Okay, dear students? So I am and next thing is what? I was missing about modal auxiliaries. So I spoke what? Modal auxiliaries means MA. Okay, where MA stands for what? Modal auxiliary. Okay, modal auxiliary. For your assistance, students, MODAL auxiliary, AUXILIARY. Okay, so modal auxiliary will be when it will be in active voice. In passive voice, what will be there? Modal auxiliary plus be. Got it? And then verb third form will be there. Okay, I am telling you how. Students, now you all have to just understand this. I am going to just give you an example, means several kinds of example I will give you. Okay, see, he sings a song. Okay, he sings a song. This is the first example. Okay, and according to active and passive rule, just I have made you write that. Means one thing, I spoke just in heading. Okay, write down heading. How to, just here write down here, how to change active voice into passive voice. Okay, means how to change active into passive. Okay students, in content I spoke that when we change active into passive, the object of active voice, the object of active voice becomes subject in passive voice, and the subject of, here we will write down here, the the subject of, okay, the subject of active voice becomes object in passive voice, but note that, okay, but means we will write down here as, but word by is placed before this object, okay. This is what means common rule, okay, this is the common rule, okay, this is the beginning. That's why I just made you all write all these thing, okay. This is only the means introduction part, okay, this is the primary thing, okay students. And see here, now we are coming at the example, okay. He sings a song. So what I spoke, the object of active voice, okay, becomes subject in passive voice. This is what active voice, okay, this is active voice, okay. How? Because here this is the subject, okay, and action is being played by subject. Who is singing? He sings, okay students. So a song, we will write down what? A song. Object, this is what? Object becomes a subject in passive voice, okay. A song. Now this is what we will identify, means in active voice we move from left to right, from left to right, but in passive voice it happens opposite, okay, means from right side, okay, from right side to left side, okay. This way we understand. Getting a point or not? A song, okay, the next turn is a what? Verb. After a song what will come? Sings, okay. Sings is what? Verb first form. Now we will go in table, okay, in active passive column, and what is there? There is what? Verb first form, okay. Sing and sings, note that, understand this. Sing or sings, okay, both are verb first form, okay. It depends upon subject. When subject is means singular, it takes a singular verb, and when subject is plural, then it takes plural verb. Getting a point or not? And means in its original form, sing is what? Sing is plural form, okay. It remains in grammar. Getting a point or not? We make what? Singular by adding s or es in the verb. Got it by here? So means once again I am coming on the example. A song, and what is there? Again just see, sings is there. Sings is what? Verb first form, and verb first form refers where? In place of be, and where be means is what? Is, am, are. Now tell me, what is the appropriate helping verb for this means subject? A song, okay. A song is singular subject, and for singular subject appropriate auxiliary verb is what? Is, okay. Out of these means these three, is, am, are, appropriate helping verb is what? Is. So we will write down here is what? Is. A song is, okay, means this work is finished, this work is finished. Now the turn is of means subject, okay. A song is sung, okay, means be work is completed. After that verb third form is there, okay, means here sings is there, then we will use what? Third form of sing, okay. Means see here, a song is sung by him, okay. Now when you will just go to this content, okay, this is satisfying to this method. Getting a point or not? When you will understand the content, then you will understand this content, okay, is satisfying to this example, okay. Now second example just I am going to take. Okay students, second example I am going to take, and second example is what? He means write down she here. She washed, okay, means she washed the clothes, okay, the clothes, clothes, clothes in the evening, okay, in the evening. She washed the clothes in the evening, clothes in the evening, okay. So what is here? She is subject, washed is what? Verb second form, and the clothes is what? Object, okay. In the evening is what? Means other words, okay, it will come in other words, okay. In general it will be called what? It will be called phrase, okay, means in the evening, okay, it is containing some meaning, okay, but not complete meaning, but it is containing some meaning, okay. So object will come in place of subject in passive voice, the clothes, okay, clothes, the clothes. Now this work is finished, and we will move from right to left, and we go we found here what? Verb second form, and we will go where? Verb second form in column, and verb second form is referring where? In place of was and were. Now tell me, what is the appropriate helping verb for subject clothes? Clothes is what? Clothes means plural subject, so it appropriate helping verb will be what? Were. Clothes, the clothes were, okay, and here will be what? Washed. Why washed? Because here verb third form is there, okay. In passive third form will verb third form will surely come, okay. Means the clothes were washed by her in the evening, okay. Here we will write down what? In the evening, in the evening, okay. And third example, okay, third example means he has killed, he has killed a dog, he has killed a dog, okay. Then what will come? The same process will be repeated, okay. A dog, okay. Here is what? Verb third form is there, see everyone, verb third form is there, a dog, then here has killed, okay, has killed, then what will come? Here is what? Been eaten, and when means this verb is in present, killed is what? Means by combine, means by taking has killed, means it is in present, okay. So what will you take here? A dog, dog is singular, then we will write down what? Has, dog has been killed by him, okay. A dog has been killed by him. If active is present, remember students, if active is present, then passive will also remain in present. If active will be in past, then passive also will be in past, okay. Just clear it. And fourth example is what? Means eating is there, see here, eating is there, and in place of eating we can write down what? Suppose fourth example is what? He is repairing, he is repairing the car, okay. He is repairing the car, then the car will come at place of subject, okay. The car is being, okay, the car is being repaired by him, the car is being repaired by him, okay. Why here means being has come? Because verb is in continuous form. Okay, means verb is in active voice, verb is in ing form, verb first form plus ing. Okay, and it is obvious from the column of active voice whenever there will be what, verb plus ing, and against this in passive voice what will come, being plus verb third form. Okay, so in the same way here being has come and verb third form has come. Okay, and why is has come here? Because active is in present, then passive will also be remain in present. By here you all have understood. Then the next turn is what, what, modal auxiliary. So modal auxiliary we can say what, means he can, here we are writing a fifth example, we are writing on this page. Okay, fifth is he can break the window. Okay, he can break the window. This is what, can is what, can is a modal auxiliary. Okay, means the window can be broken by him. Okay students, I think this video will be very much helpful to understand concept about active and passive. Okay, and the next thing is modal auxiliary is there. In modal auxiliary means what, can, could, shall, should, may, must, might, is to, am to, are to, was to, were to, has to, have to, will have to. Okay, means any kind of modal auxiliary will be there. Okay, we will do what in passive only, we will write down modal auxiliary as we have written here, modal auxiliary, then we will add be. Okay, and according to the active passive rule, in passive voice it always takes means what, verb third form. Okay students, by here I was to make you understand and hope that you all must have understood this thing. Okay, okay, thank you very much students, thank you for watching this. Okay, thank you.